What's up everyone, and today we are gonna be learning the gear cube. Not we, you are gonna be learning, I'm gonna be teaching. So you are gonna be learning how to solve the gear cube. And a few weeks ago I was fascinated by how this puzzle turns in the unboxing video. Check that video right here. And today I've cracked the puzzle and here with another tutorial for the gear cube. Now let's get started with the video. Oh shit, I just dropped the cube. So you guys know the drill. Let's get this cube scrambled. So here's the cube scrambled now. So you must know the basic notations of the gear cube and I'm gonna go over that now. A normal 3x3 can turn individually like this and we can do a 90-degree turn on a cube. But on this we can't do a 90-degree turn because the edges get messed up like that, and so we can't turn any layer. So the 90-degree turn on a 3x3 is 180-degree turn on a gear cube like this. So you must remember that while learning in the algorithm. So the first thing we have to look out for the white corners. Now there are two main cases for these, which are the corners will be away from each other like this diagonally, and the second case is that they will be besides each other like this. So let's focus on this case. Now we have to look for another corner with green on it. So yeah, here it is. We can get it across this corner right here, see, and then do an R to solve this. Remember, R on a 3x3 is R2 on a gear cube, so that's R. And then another bar will be made in the bottom layer like this. We have to just move it like this, or we can do like this and get it to the opposite side of the white bar and then do a U2 to solve the white face. Then we have to see these colors of the corners and match the centers with them. So like that, see, each center is solved, and this is very crucial. Now we have to get the edges to the correct positions. Let's take a look at this middle layer. So these two edges need to be swapped in their position because this is red blue and here is the red blue correct position. So if one color is matching, hold that color on the top of cube and do this algorithm: R2 U, R2 U. Now see, the whole band of edges will be solved, and just let it be like that. We'll correct these edges later on. That's quite easy actually. So the second layer will take this one, and here is the same case. So these are green and white and they should be right here. So the common color in them is green, so we'll hold green on the top and do this algorithm again: R2 U, R2 U. See, now those are solved. And again, coming to the third band, and it's already solved, so no need to solve it. So we can just rotate it simply until the edges are solved as such. Now let's do it again on this side, and bam, that's how you solve the gear cube. And there can be an exceptional case, I'll just show you that. So there are two versions of gear cube, which are the stickered one and the stickerless one. So the stickered ones don't have these inside colors, but the stickerless one does. So how to solve this? Well, look at all the sides. Two of the sides will have 4 unsolved colors like this, and the other 4 sides will have 2 solved colors and 2 unsolved colors. So we have to hold the solved color band like this on top, and you can be doing this from any angle and do this algorithm, which is R U, R U, R and U, and the gear cube will be solved. Congratulations, you just learned to solve a gear cube. And you can also show off to your friends that I can solve this complicated puzzle, which is actually easier than a 3x3. So hope you liked the tutorial. Make sure to leave a like down there to let me know that you have liked the video. And also, if you are not one of my subscribers, make sure to subscribe too. I mean, what's the point in not subscribing, right? So this is it for the video now. Looking forward to meet you guys in my next video. So bye bye.